Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Sony Customer Support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up a web browser and head on over to sony.com. I'm in Australia, so it's going to end in AU for me. So this might be different for you depending on what region you are. And now from here, you want to navigate to the bottom of the page and look for a Contact Us button, which is it here, bottom right hand corner of the page. Now, once you're on the Contact Us page, we've got a few different methods how to contact Sony Customer Support. So we can check out their phone support here. So you can give them a call at this number here, and their hours of operation is 7 days a week, 9 to 6 AEST time. We've got Sony PlayStation, Sony Mobile. You got all the different support lines you can call. And if you want to use a web form, so they got email us here, Sony Electronics General Query, Sony Electrics Repair Request, Sony Broadcast Business and Government Inquiries, Sony PlayStation Contact. And if you're still not sure, you can start a chatbot here. So they got chatbot support. So you can click on Start Chatbot. It'll pop up like so and just say, hey, I would like to reach out to some customer support. Can you send me to a live agent? And then they should be able to help you. The chatbot